So as the end user here, right, let's build the story. We're stuck within our application. What we can do is quickly click on this help. The in-app context-sensitive help is only going to stay, in this case, within the application, right? So I can't drag it out of this IE box here. And really what I'm presented with is that step-by-step instruction. So this is automatically presented. Look, just tell me what I need to know, ART ELE server. Click on this here, get that step-by-step guide. I can view this as a different format. So now it brings me to my server in which I can view the simulation now. I can view the video, I can view the procedure table and so forth. This is just a quick snapshot. We want the least amount of clicks for the end user, right? So in this case, look, just tell me what I need to know, ART ELE server. Click on this here, get that step-by-step guide. If I wanted to go to other modalities, or maybe I wanted to view other stuff on my portal here, yeah, I can view that very easily. So if I wanted to go back, I can. What we've done here is we've actually linked maybe an e-learning course on what they originally had taken for this purchase requisition.